Now that I'm free, I can rest my mind on other things. Since I've been free, I made a name for myself, Freeman. Not original. I know, but it has a nice ring to it. And it suits me. I've been following the North Star. I've been following that star like I was getting paid to do it. Had to show my paperwork more than once. Took it out, showed it, and was allowed to continue on. When you have good freedom, you don't have to think about getting it. Freedom now is easy, like breathing. Steady, like a heartbeat, until there's an issue with it. But these papers, see? They're my guarantee. I've seen so many things. I've seen the Gulf of America. Wow. Yeah, them over there, us over here. And last week, I looked in the eyes of someone who looks like me. I said, can you believe it? Can you believe our good fortune to be free like this? I thought they were family. They said they weren't, and they told me to keep my voice down, said I was making a disturbance. It's got to be more than freedom than this, right? I mean, it's a blessing, but truth be told, I was expecting an endless parade because of the way they'd spoken of it, written about it, grabbed it and fought and died for it, bowed and scraped to it, waved to it, danced with it, bore its children, carried its flag, all for freedom, sweet freedom. And this is all there is. Empty pockets, worn shoes. This is what it's all come to? Oh, I could whistle. Oh, I could weep. I'll weep. You've been following me.
You wandered off. I wondered where you'd wandered. How's it going so far in your journey? Have you found your family?
What are you doing? What's up with the notebook and pencil?
I'm taking notes.
You thinking of selling my story?
This being a capitalist society, I'd be lying if it didn't cross my mind. Whatever I get, we'll split it, 50-50.
Deal, I guess.
Did you find your family?
Not yet.
Did you find yourself?
I live in hope, and this is as far as I've got. What's next? Who knows? I could whistle. I could weep. Well, I wept. I've heard there's some more. Just down the road. Let's go forward, shall we? Where did the movie go?
freedom isn't free.